how to request a refund on Booksy. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would be learning how you can request a refund on Booksy, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Booksy application, and then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as search, appointments, as well as profile. So just click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon on the profiles page, you can see different options like family and friends, account and settings, reviews, payments, feedback, and support. Once you see that, just select it. Now, after clicking on feedback and support, you'll be brought to the feedback and support page. On this page, you can see the two options available, which is like us on Facebook and rate Booksy in Google Play. This is not what we're looking for. So go back to your profiles page and select about Booksy. And so you can see Booksy website. See, just click on Booksy website. Now, the reason we are going through all of these processes is that you would have to contact the customer support for you to be able to request a refund. So on the website's page, you can see different options which says list your business and all. The next step would be for you to scroll down to the lowest part of the screen and then click on contacts. So after clicking on contacts, you'll be brought to the contacts page. On this page, you can see your name. You enter in your name here. All right. So the name that you used to register your account, enter in a valid email address. Just go ahead and do that. Then after entering, then enter the message, which is you would want to request a refund. And then once you're done, click on send a message, and the message will be sent directly to the customer support, and instructions on how you can get your refund will be sent to you. You might even be asked to fill a form. Just follow through the processes, and then you will be able to get a refund. So here is how you can go about it. Thank you and have a good day.